The acid-stained concrete floor is the Isoplam's solution that allows you to transform a cement-based flooring into a surface with unique characteristics. The color shades and chiaroscuro effects give a vintage and long-lasting appearance. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications and is perfect for covering surfaces in living spaces, restaurants, museums, offices, shops, communal areas, pathways, and patios. The acidification process can be carried out on sky concrete, micro-overlay, or deco nuvolato floors. The substrate must not show rising damp. For applications on concrete floors, the deco nuvolato isoplam hardener must be applied beforehand, in light gray or medium gray color from the Isoplam color chart. Carefully protect all surfaces not involved in the acidification process. Apply Plam Apripori diluted 1:5 with water with a monobrush to open the surface pores and ensure the proper adhesion of colored Plam acid. Wash the flooring, rinse thoroughly with water, and vacuum using a wet vacuum cleaner. Thoroughly shake Plam acid, the water-based coloring acid. Apply Plam acid with the Isoplam acid pump, spraying it evenly and generously over the surface. Let it act for at least 4 hours. Wash with water and vacuum using a wet vacuum cleaner. Reapply Plam acid following the same procedure and let it act for another 4 hours. Apply Neutra Clean liquid acid neutralizer using a monobrush. Let it act for about 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water and vacuum using a wet vacuum cleaner. Repeat the washing process at least twice. Once completely dry, apply Itrorep A, water-based dust-proof and water-repellent solution with a natural finish using an airless pump and wax spreader. Consult the Isoplam technical office to identify the most suitable protective product for the intended use. The Isoplam's acid-stained concrete floor must be made to perfection and requires a professional qualification before being applied. For this reason, we train and update our applicators through the Concreativity workshops. Contact us for more information.